Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you here, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to explain you 4 things about phonics. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Hamidah from Banten, and I teach at SMA 9 Kota Tangerang Selatan. Well, on this nice occasion, I have 4 things that I want to explain you. It is about the definition of phonics itself, and the second one is about the 10 most important research results related to phonics, and the third one is about the power of phonics, and the fourth one is about help of phonic knowledge to teacher. Now, firstly is about the definition. The definition of phonics is that phonics is science of sound. And according to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, phonics is a kind of method of teaching beginners to read and to pronounce words by learning phonetic value of letters and a group of letters and also the syllables. That's all about definition. And now we come to the second one. It is about 10 most important result related to the phonics. Number 1 is phonic instruction help the children to read. And this instruction help the student decode the words they are reading. The second one is about explicit and implicit instruction. And it is said that explicit phonic instruction is more beneficial than and the explicit instruction of phonic is more beneficial than implicit instruction. And the most effective type of instruction is the explicit one, or we call it direct instruction. And the third research is most poor readers have weak phonetic skill and a strategy imbalance. The poor reader use the context clues or the structural clues while they are reading. And the fourth research is that phonic knowledge has a powerful effect to decoding ability. Yes, and the fifth one, good decoders. If students are good decoders, so they rely less on context clues than the poor decoders. The sixth research is that the reading process relies on readers' attention to each letter in a word. And the seventh one is that phonemic awareness is necessary for phonic instruction to be effective. The eighth one is phonic instruction improves spelling ability. So the 7th and the 8th research here has a tight relationship. And number 9, the teacher knowledge of phonic affect the ability to teach phonic. So if teacher, it is proven that teacher knowledge, if the teacher has good knowledge on phonic, so it is easy for them to teach phonic to the students. And then last one is about phonetic, and the last one, it is possible to overdo phonic instruction. Well, that's all about 10 most important finding result of the result. Now, the third one, I would like to talk about the power of phonics. There are 3 power of phonics. Number 1, phonic can develop reading fluently and phonic can develop reading comprehension. And the last one, that phonic have developed phonemic awareness. Now you see, phonics will have the children to read fluently because they will be able to understand the code which represent the sound of spoken language. And by knowing the phonics, children are easily to recognize so many sounds of new words. Phonemic also can develop children's skill on reading comprehension. Phonemic also can develop children's skills on reading comprehension by being familiar with the phonics. Children have decoding skills and make them, by decoding skill here can make them concentrate to the meaning of the words they are reading. And talking about phonic can develop phonemic awareness when the children understand how words are formed, and also they are able to break up the individual sounds of words. So from these three powers of phonics, we can conclude that the phonic can help the student or the children with the reading, not only with the reading, but also with the spelling and writing. Well, now the last one is about, phonic knowledge, the help of phonic knowledge to the teacher. Based on the research done by Carroll in 1990 and Moss in 1955, it is proven that teacher knowledge of phonics will affect teachers' ability to teach children about the phonics. So as a teacher, it is compulsory, or it is necessary for us to understand well about the phonics, so we are able to teach the children phonics well and correctly. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is about my explanation to the phonics. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.